Hello, I'm Dr. Adam Fish, and I'm going to take you on a quick walkthrough of the website. The first thing you'll see is that our materials are organized into standard course modules. We can work with you to build a custom module around your current curriculum. Our core materials are self-directed learning tutorials that build out into diagrams. We have institutional analytics that you can use to track your students' progress. The tutorials are arranged into standard academic subjects with many features, including introductory primer lectures, drawing highlights, which are high-yield diagrams that are easily reproducible on rounds or at the bedside, and flashcards for anatomic, radiographic, and clinical correlative images. Our tutorial drawing pad has top-flight capability, including the ability to draw over a video. We include assessment exercises such as a starter canvas that students can then complete, and the ability to drag and drop labels onto an unlabeled image. We also include exercise quizzes that break down the material into bite-sized activities. Our goal has been to integrate the basic and clinical sciences into an excellent learning experience that can truly last a lifetime.